Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious okra soup. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. So in a clean pot, wash the beef, then put it in the pot, add chopped onions, then seasoning cube, salt, little water, cover and cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, add your kpomo, then ice fish. Add water enough to cook the soup. Cover and cook for another 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, the next thing you're going to do is to remove the ice fish. So set this aside. Next, heat up your pan. Add some palm oil. Heat it up a little, then add chopped onions and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Next, add ground crayfish. Then you fry for about another 2 minutes. So set this aside. So in the pot of the protein, add the fried crayfish and onion. Give it a stir. Add your pepper. Add seasoning cube, salt, then cover and leave for 5 minutes. So here is the okra. Make sure you wash thoroughly. Then we are using a grater to grate the okra. This will enable the okra draw very well, okay? Using a grater will make the okra draw very, very well. And that's what we want, guys. So next, add the grated okra. And give it a stir. Cover and leave for 3 minutes. So we are using pumpkin leaves. Okay guys, we are going to wash and shred those pumpkin leaves. So after 3 minutes, add the pumpkin leaves, the shredded pumpkin, and you give it a good mix. As you guys can see, our soup draws very well. If you guys are seeing this, we didn't add ogbono. So if you want your okra to draw, grate the okra. So add the ice fish back. And gently mix to avoid the fish going into pieces. So cover and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Our soup is almost ready, guys. This soup was so delicious. It was so delicious, guys. So after 2 to 3 minutes, remove from heat. Look at that. Our soup draws very well. Delicious okra soup, guys. Please make sure you try this out. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.